Good morning, friends. Today I am here with Pollution of Air and Water, Part 1 of 8th Standard. In today's session, we are going to discuss about pollution, pollutants, air pollutants, smog, and chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs. So let us start the session. We know that our environment is getting polluted day by day by some harmful substances. So first of all, we will discuss about pollution. Pollution means some undesirable substances, some unuseful substances that are added to our environment, and these undesirable substances makes our environment unfit for living organisms for their healthy growth and development. Pollution is mainly of three types. What are they? They are air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. In this figure, you may visualize air pollution. You may observe here that how smoke is releasing from the factory and industry and causing air pollution. Here you can observe water pollution. You may see here that undesirable substances are added to the water and making water unfit for living organism. In this figure you may observe soil pollution. Here you can see that undesirable substances are added to the soil and that makes the soil polluted. Now the next topic is about pollutants. Pollutants are those undesirable substances that makes our environment unfit for the healthy growth of living organisms. Pollutants may be solid, liquid and gases. Further, it may be biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means those substances which are degraded by the action of microbes in short interval of time. And non-biodegradable substances are those which cannot be degraded by the action of microbes in short interval of time. In the given figure, you may observe different air pollutants like ground level ozone, lead, sulfur dioxide, particulate matter, nitrogen oxide, dioxide, carbon monoxide. In this given figure, you can see types of sources of air pollution. There are two types of air pollutants. That is primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants includes carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, most hydrocarbons and most suspended particles. Whereas secondary pollutants include sulfur trioxide, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, ozone and most nitrate and sulfate. This figure also depicts about common air pollutants like ground level ozone, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, volatile organic compound and particulate matter. Now the next topic for discussion is air pollution. Can you think about living life without air? No. We cannot survive even for a few minutes without air. We know that air is a mixture of several gases like 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide, and besides this argon, methane, ozone and water vapor are also present in very small amount. But when air is contaminated, by some harmful unwanted substances, then air pollution occurs. And this air pollution have a harmful effect on living and non-living also. Now our next topic is air pollutants. Air pollutants are those pollutants which contaminate air and make our air dirty and unfit for living organism. The common sources of air pollutants are factories, industries, refineries, power plants, automobile exhaust, and burning of firewoods and dung cakes. These air pollutants may also come from some natural resources like smoke and dust arising from forest fires or volcanic eruption. These two activities are natural. Sometimes pollutants are also added to the atmosphere by certain human activities. Lot of respiratory problems arises from air pollution. In this figure you can see air pollution due to factory. Here it is air pollution due to ceramic factory. This figure shows air pollution due to oil refinery. It is about pollution of air due to thermal power plant. Now it is about air pollution due to vehicles. This figure shows about air pollution due to burning of firewood. Here it is about air pollution due to burning of dung cake. This figure indicates about air pollution due to forest fire. Here it is air pollution due to volcanic eruption. Now you have seen that in all the previous figures, air is getting polluted by the release of smoke as well as dust particles, that is called as particulate matter. Now let us discuss about common air pollutants. Common air pollutants are carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, sulfur dioxide, smoke, fly ash, etc. Now the next topic is about a smog. What is a smog? It is the composition of smoke and fog. The smoke causes breathing problems and also reduces visibility. Breathing problems like asthma, cough, wheezing in children. So what is a smog? Smog is a mixture of smoke plus fog. This figure shows about smog in Beijing and smog in Los Angeles. We can observe here that a smog reduces visibility. Here it is the fly ash. But nowadays, fly ash are used for making bricks and also used as fillers during the construction of roads. Next is the chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons, they are used in refrigerators, air conditioner, and also perfumes and aerosol sprays. But these chlorofluorocarbons damage our ozone layer and of the atmosphere. And this ozone layer is very important. Why? Because it absorbs the ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. So it prevents us from getting skin cancer and cataract diseases. Thank you. For any kind of doubts, please write your question in comment section.